Hello sir, this is Samir Rahman and it's MID2 problem number 1, how to solve an equation using log. And we have this equation here, p equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus count into log p, and we'll be solving this equation. But before we do that, let's just go through the code. We have the top down design code here, but it's not complete. We'll have to finish these two parts of complete equation and complete equation for log base of 10. But before that, let's just go through the whole code and analyze it a little bit. So if you look at this code carefully, we can see there are 4 function prototypes at the very beginning. Display equation result, get the inputs, compute equation and compute equation 10, which is for log base of 10. And inside this main we have 3 variables, count, p and result. And after that we have get the inputs function, and what this function basically does is that it takes inputs from the user by reference and it prints it in the console and save it using scanf. And after that we'll be using a result equal to compute equation, what we will be completing later in this program. And after that we have display equation result. What this basically does is that it uses a global system variable named erno, which means that it will be using if else if and else statement to get the errors from the program, and it print it in the console. So if the error is edom, which means the argument is out of domain function, then it will be printing this. And if the error is equal to e-range, which basically means the result is too large, then it will be printing this too. But if it's not any of this error, then it will be just printing the result. And so after that we have the compute equation part, and to complete this part, let's just say what I will be doing is that I will be saving the values of I will be saving the values in two new variables. Let's say first one is I, and I will be saving the value of log p in it. And for the other part of the equation, I will be using variable j, and I will be saving 1 divided by 1 minus count in it. And then I will be using capital P to save the whole equation here, the whole result here, which will be I into the multiplication result of I and j. 1 plus multiplication result of I into j, and at the end I will be returning p. So this is what I'll be using, and let's just put some comments. Saves value in I, then let's say saves value in j, and then we have saves value in p. So this is what we'll be doing, and let's just copy this part and print it here, and it will be for the log base of 10. But for that, let's just put a 10 here, or it will be just computing the same equation, and this will be it. So let's just build it and try to run it and see what it does. So we can see that it's asking for 2 inputs from the user. So first one is 2, and we'll be using space as a separator. The other one is 3. We press enter, and we can see it's giving us the result.